All right, what's up, everybody? My name's Cryptid Kyle, and I'm making a video game. Okay, so this game is not like your average game, okay? This game isn't born out of the necessity to tell a story. This game is born out of my
Desire.
necessity to get into a game engine and start making something. I've spent so long contemplating the perfect first story, wondering if my art is good enough, just basically all around. Well, okay, I spent a long time in like a learning phase, is what I would call it. And I've just gotten to the point in the learning phase where I need to do a project. I need to make a full fledged demo of sorts. By formatting this video game in the way I have, I've made it more achievable for myself. I don't have to focus on any of the minutia of storytelling or style, and I'm just going for it. I'm just making the video game. Let's talk about the concept of the video game. The video game is going to be called the Cryptid Hangout. And basically, I'm taking my original character for my YouTube channel, Cryptid Kyle, my creator self, and I am going to put them into a game engine. I'm going to make a cool hangout pad for them, and then I am also going to add really cool mini games in the shape of arcade consoles. And I'm really looking forward to exploring video game mechanics in a nonchalant way by doing this. I want to have an interactive world at some point. The first thing I want to do is have an invisible parkour track that you have to reveal with a spray can, like a can of spray paint. So right now the roadmap kind of looks a little something like getting this player character into the engine, which the process for doing something like that starts with conception with the character sheet. You make this sheet to get all of your details in one spot, and then you make a turnaround. And this is so that way you can get all of the details from every angle. And then you take that turnaround and you model it in a 3D engine. Once you model it, you want to UV unwrap it and texture it. And then you want to rig and animate it and weight paint if you have to. And then once you have the model with some animations, you can work on getting it into the game engine. Adding hitboxes, adding a plane for them to walk on, adding the walking, the movement controller, everything like that.
I've done a lot of research. I know what needs to get done.
And I'm excited about it. I'm excited to move this project forward, and I'm streaming it, and I'm going to finish this project. And this will be what gets me into making video games. This will get me past the slump and will give me the experience and confidence I need to tell the stories I want to tell. And I'm really looking forward to making a chill, cool, fun game. Hopefully. Hopefully it ends up being those things. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Remember to hit that like and that subscribe button. Please follow me over on Twitch, where I'm going to be streaming about this every day. And check out my socials at Blue Sky, TikTok, Twitch, and YouTube. Thanks for watching. Remember to stay strong and stay weird out there, everybody. Peace out.